Morning, guys. Dominic with True Lovin' Fishing. It's a Thursday morning and it's about 45 degrees here in Guana Lake. It's very low, by the way. And I'm here with a regular fan favorite, Paul Norman. Still at the bank. Paul Norman showed up today looking like one of the guys off of Grumpier Old Men. Like he was going ice fishing in Wisconsin. You gotta see him. It's pretty comical. But we're out here, and he's out here, so I give him kudos for that. And we're gonna try to get on the fish today. We're gonna try to get on some trout. Little nervous about today because Ron was out here yesterday, and Ron is good at his craft. And I don't want to put his business on the street, but let's just say Ron didn't have his normal day. So we're hoping it changes. There's a front moving through tomorrow as well. So maybe we can get on him today. We're going to mix it up. We're going to do artificial, top water, of course, live and artificial bait. First time on the Hobie Outback. This is the replacement that Hobie gave me for the original one that had a little bit of a warranty issue. And Hobie, is outstanding as they are, no questions asked, sent me a brand new boat. So first time for me on this one. Let's get to it. We've done enough talking. Let's see if I can get you guys a fish. Thanks for joining.
There we go. First one. Finally. All right. I didn't know if it was gonna happen. Get him back. He's gone. All right, finally.
Dude, that was something.
What happened?
Well, I thought I had a snag, and then all of a sudden I could feel like something moving, and I was cranking down, and thought like it was coming, then it just let go. I was just trolling.
What were you trolling?
I was trolling with a pink tail, white with pink.
Could have been a black drum. Yeah, could have been a black drum. Or you could have snagged. Could have snagged a gator.
I've been trying to watch to see if I see it.
Is that a gator over there on the left?
No, I looked at that. I think it's float.
Huh.
Oh, there. Just going to grab the other rod.
Good job.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little guy. I think it's a trout.
It's all right.
Oh, it's a good size trout. No. Come on. Jesus, Paul. Ah! Right, look at that.
Oh my God, it's comical.
Huh?
I love listening to you. You're yelling at yourself. That's good. All right, Paul's on the board with a little trout.
Huh?
I was telling them that you're on the board with a little trout.
It's about a 19er.
No,
Yeah, watch this shit, buddy.
I'm saying 16 at the most.
This is dinner. Oh, my damn mud been knocking off. Come on, let's give it up. Look, man.
That's 16 inches.
Ah, shut your up.
I swear to God, you better watch when you measure them.
Shut your mouth.
I mean, I like the way you think, but I don't know why you're doubting me.
Huh?
I don't know why you doubt me.
Get unwind yourself.
Yeah, you're so full of crap. Let's hear the truth. Oh, he's 60. It's either a big black drum. Is it pulling like a fish?
Yes.
All right, then you might have a big black drum, bro, and you wanted to leave. Keep fighting it, but if it comes up and it's a gator, you better be ready. I've never seen a wake like that on a fish. I mean, it was a substantial wake.
You gotta remember, Dominic, we're only in a foot of water.
Yeah, I mean, then it's a 40-inch drum then. Then it's the biggest drum I've ever seen. You're on video. I mean, see if you can get a peek of them. You might need a bigger net. It might be the one I just lost.
I'm just hoping it's not a freaking gator. That'd be my luck. Catch a damn dinosaur.
Catch a dinosaur.
This sucker jumps. I'm jumping in the kayak with you.
I mean, is he pulling like drag, or is he fighting like a fish, head shaking?
It's head shaking.
All right, you're gonna get a peek of him right here.
It's a gator.
Okay, let him go. Let the spool out. Open the bail and break him off. Just break it off, bro. It ain't worth it.
That's a gator, Dominic. That's just not funny.
I knew it was a gator by the wake, dude.
Oh, damn it.
That would have been a bluefin tuna if it was a fish.
I'm shaking, Dominic.
Look, did you cut the line?
Yes,
Oh.
I cut the line. I caught it in the tail.
I know. You're good.
Holy shit.
Oh.
That thing was almost the length of the kayak.
Oh my God. All right, let's get back to it.
Oh, hold on a second. A dinosaur before.
Yeah, I got one. Yep. Whoa. Oh, I'm in a stalemate with a big red. It's a great sound, isn't it? Yeah, I got a big red. I think I got him hooked kind of weird too. This is on that little 1000. Oh yeah, what a great fish. Come on, buddy. Oh, his tail is gorgeous. His tail is gorgeous. Yes, sir! That makes up for that one I lost. That's exactly what it was, too, a big red. That's exactly what I lost before. Was a giant like this. Come on.
Mackerel.
Look at that.
That is beautiful.
God, look at his tail.
God, it's fat.
Didn't he fight good?
He did. That was squealing there, buddy.
Oh man, he's beautiful.
Awesome.
You sending to me?
Yep. How long?
He's probably, he's 23 to 4.
You gonna keep him?
Wow, he's 25 and a quarter.
Mm-hmm. If you don't keep him, I want him.
No.
Well, come on.
No.
Come on.
That ain't how it works.
Well, you can't tell a Viking when he's got to eat.
I'm all about conservation, baby.
Oh.
You gotta catch it.
All right, I'm a poor guy. That's what you gotta do.
A poor guy. No, he's gonna live today, Paul.
Not in my house, he wouldn't have. All right. See how my pal is. Let Paul starve.
Oh, he's awesome. He's an awesome fish.
That is a big one. That's huge.
You're gonna get one anyway. You don't need this one.
I'm trying. Could have had a gator tail if you wanted.
And we could have had some gator tail. Yep. So I got Paul Norman, the Viking, so mad at me that I just released that 25.5-inch redfish that I had to take. Now I got to take him to Bonefish Grill because he's mad. He says I'm causing a Viking to starve. But I had to let him live. He fought too good. And I just got a thump on this, Paul. I would switch to a jig head on the bottom, and because they might not want to come off that bottom at all to get it. Then you can have some dinner. That's exactly what I had before, was a big red. Look at these boils. When you see these big boils like that.
Dude, they're all around me out there.
Yeah.
Well, at least now you're all happy and you got to screw with your best buddy here.
You're gonna get one. Yep, you're gonna get one. You take that gulp off and you got him.
Got it. Rat bastards.
He's so mad at me. He's like, are you really not giving me that fish? 25 years of friendship and you're not gonna give me that fish? I said, nope.
That's just wrong.
If he was a 20, I would have gave him to you.
I don't care, man. That's just wrong. I'd have done it to you. I'd have given it to you.
You didn't give me no gator tail.
Oh, yeah? Because I almost died. I'm the one that made you live.
It's entertaining.
Who needs Bill Dance? Just have Paul Norman fish with you.
You have improved dramatically since the first time. I haven't had to cut your shirt. I haven't had to unhook your hooks from your back.
Yeah, well, rod placement is a key trick to kayak fishing.
I haven't heard you really cussing that much and saying zero fun.
Yeah. So now I'm more into death-defying feats.
Guys, it's so beautiful out here today. As far as wind, sun, temperature, I'd stay out here all day if I could, but I gotta get back. I have an event tonight I can't miss. So we are trolling back to the ranch. And any day you catch a 25.5-inch anything, it's a good day. So I'm gonna call it a good day for that redfish. I missed another giant redfish just prior to that. Just being dumb and had too much stuff going on and got tangled up. A few trout in the mix as well. A gator. You've seen it all. Thanks again for joining me. You're gonna see me on the kayaks for a while. I'm gonna put
Tyler's feeling when he hears this, but the sportsman went bye-bye. You've seen Jeff on many of the boat videos before, and you've actually seen his wife Kelly as well. They loved my boat. My boat was not getting near the attention it deserved, needed. I've been on the kayak so much, and with the new Hobie thing, it's going to be even more, that I made the decision at this time to get rid of the Sportsman and focus on kayaks for a little bit, with the understanding that in the future I'm going to be moving to kayaks and some type of a skiff. So that'll be in the future, guys. But once again, thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you on the next trip.